Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the vast landscapes of Canada? Well, the journey begins in the bustling city of Vancouver. Imagine breathing in the fresh air at Stanley Park, immersing yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Granville Island, and savoring the city's thriving food scene. Vancouver, a city where the mountains meet the ocean, is an outdoor enthusiast's dream. But Vancouver is just the start. Canada's vast landscapes are calling. As we leave the city behind, the wild beauty of Banff National Park awaits. Imagine a place where the silence is only broken by the whisper of the wind through the towering trees, the distant call of wildlife, or the rush of a powerful river. This is Jasper. The park, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Here, you can trek through deep green forests, scale rugged mountain peaks, or explore serene lakes that mirror the sky. The park is home to a rich array of wildlife, from bears and moose to a plethora of bird species. And it's not just about hiking or wildlife spotting. Jasper is a playground for outdoor activities, offering everything from mountain biking and whitewater rafting in the summer to snowboarding and skiing when winter rolls in. Jasper's wild beauty sets the stage for Canada's awe-inspiring wilderness. Feeling hungry? Canada's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Let's start in the bustling cities of Toronto and Montreal, where the fine dining establishments are nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's the sumptuous delights at Toronto's Allure or the innovative dishes at Montreal's Toque, your taste buds are in for a treat. But there's more to Canadian cuisine than these urban gems. Venture towards the coasts of Nova Scotia and British Columbia, and you'll find seafood shacks serving up the freshest catches of the day. Think succulent lobsters, juicy oysters, and heavenly clams, all caught and cooked to perfection. From the sophisticated to the simple, every meal in Canada tells a story. It's a narrative of the land, the people, and their rich cultural heritage. So whether you're dining under the chandeliers of a fine establishment or at a rustic wooden table by the sea, remember, in Canada, every meal is an adventure. When the sun goes down, Canada's cities come alive. The North's nightlife is a vibrant symphony of lights, sounds, and experiences. In Toronto, the country's largest city, you'll find a pulsating scene that never sleeps. From upscale martini bars to underground dance clubs, there's a vibe for every mood. Or perhaps Montreal's unique blend of North American energy and European charm is more your style. Here, the night offers everything from jazz clubs to rooftop lounges, all under a blanket of stars. And let's not forget the live music venues. These spots are the heartbeat of Canada's nightlife, showcasing local talents and international acts alike. Whether you're a night owl or a casual evening wanderer, there's a corner of the night just for you. Dance until dawn, enjoy a quiet drink, or lose yourself in a thrilling performance. And as the night ends, remember, the Canadian journey is just getting warmed up. Now, brace yourselves for a true Canadian adventure, the Arctic. In this wondrous wilderness, you'll find experiences that are as unique as they are exhilarating. One of the Arctic's most breathtaking spectacles is the Northern Lights. This celestial ballet of green, pink, and violet hues dancing across the night sky is a sight you'll treasure forever. Beyond the lights, you have the thrill of dog sledding, an age-old Inuit tradition. Feel the rush of cold air as you glide across the frosty tundra, led by a team of energetic huskies. It's an adrenaline-fueled adventure that truly embodies the spirit of the North. And let's not forget the wildlife. From the majestic polar bears roaming the snow-covered landscapes to the playful seals bobbing in the icy waters, the Arctic teems with life that is as resilient as it is fascinating. The Arctic is a testament to Canada's wild, untamed beauty. Wondering when to visit? Canada is a year-round destination, each season offering a unique experience. Fall paints landscapes with vibrant hues, perfect for scenic drives. Winter brings fresh powder for skiing and the ethereal northern lights. Spring is a wildlife enthusiast's paradise as animals emerge from hibernation. And summer? It's the ideal time for outdoor activities like hiking and canoeing. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Canadian adventure today. From the bustling cities to the wild frontiers, Canada is a land of endless possibilities. We've journeyed through the vibrant city streets of Vancouver, admired the natural beauty of Jasper, and tantalized our taste buds with Canada's distinct culinary scene. We've danced the night away in the north and embarked on thrilling adventures in the Arctic. Canada is a country that celebrates diversity not just in its people, but also in its landscapes and experiences. It's a place that offers something for everyone, whether you're a foodie, an adventurer, or a nature lover. It's a country where you can experience bustling city life, serene landscapes, wild adventures, and everything in between. Canada is a year-round destination, each season offering its unique charm and adventures. So whether you visit in the heat of summer or the chill of winter, you're guaranteed an unforgettable journey. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready to explore the wonders of Canada.